All our systems are designed and manufactured here in Oviedo, Florida, United States. We use local suppliers such as sheet metal manufacturers that make our enclosures. We also like to offer factory tours in case you want to come and see our building process and see how your machine will be manufactured. Levil Technology has made multiple partnerships with different factories, and that allows us to make multi-system cells. A multi-system cell is a cell where you will tell us what product you want to make and we'll design the whole cell around it, starting from delivery of raw material down to the finished product. We can use CNC mills, CNC lathes, robots, measuring systems, laser marking systems, anything that is required to make a completely finished product. One of our clients has 2 of our machines in a basement. The machines had to be lowered through a staircase to fit in the basement. No other machine would fit in there. Our machines work on all sorts of industries, one such being our sister company, Levil Aviation. They make aviation instruments, one such like this one. All the components in here are manufactured using our machine. The nose uses our mill turn to do complex drilling. We use our lathes to do all the turning parts, and then we use our mills to do all the mill parts. If you feel like you need some training, we have 3 options for you. We offer virtual training, on-site training at your facility, or training here at Levil Technology. All our systems come with a 1-year parts and labor warranty, but we do offer extended warranty as well as preventative maintenance packages. When choosing a machine, there are many options out there. Our machines are fully customizable to fit your needs, from spindle RPMs to adding a robot for automatic operations to automated measuring systems. Anything that you need can be done to our machines.